In this video, I will be sharing a horror movie tutorial with you. As you may recall, I have previously shared a cinematic generated movie tutorial on my channel. Towards the end of today's video, you will get a sneak peek, but to watch it in full, you will need to follow the entire tutorial. Due to the overwhelming response to my first video, I have initiated a series where I will share tutorial on different movie genres including drama, thriller, mystery, adventure, fantasy, action, historical fiction and more. If you don't want to miss any episode of this series, quickly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. By learning from these tutorials, you can even create a separate channel and build an audience allowing you to earn. Let's dive into the tutorial now. Certainly, let's start by entering ChatGPT and typing the prompt, "I want to generate a horror movie using AI tools. Please provide a script with dialogue and the name of the movie." Once the script is generated, we can proceed with the next step. Now let's type in ChatGPT, "I want to generate a movie out of images for my horror film. Please suggest prompts for each scene and character. I aim to create images close to real life for animation purposes." So I generate prompts accordingly so I don't have to type them separately. This will ensure that generated images align well with the scenes and characters in the script ChatGPT has provided. Next, let's input into ChatGPT, "Please suggest me music for the above scenes from each scene in a horror movie." This will save us the effort of searching for music separately. Now we are on Leonardo.ai. Here we will click on the image generation section. After that, we will copy our first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here and generate the image in absolute reality. Once the image is generated, we can upscale it. Proceed to download our generated image. Now let's return to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the next image and focus on our character from the movie. We will generate a photorealistic image to ensure our character looks real life-like. Once generated, we can upscale the image and proceed to download our character's image for the movie. Next, we will go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it and click the generate button. Make sure to set the ratio to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. We will repeat these steps for all our images, copying and pasting prompts, generating and then upscaling the images. Finally, we will download them to have a set of images ready for our horror movie. Great! With our scenes, images ready through step-by-step copying and generating, we can now proceed to our next step, creating a cinematic type movie. To do this, we will head over to Pika Labs and join the beta by clicking on Join Beta. We will then navigate to its Discord server to explore and utilize the resources for our cinematic movie creation. Here we will type /animate, upload the desired image and copy the prompt from ChatGPT because we have generated animation prompts from ChatGPT to make the animation process easier. After copying the first prompt and pasting it, we will click here and our movie scene will be ready. We will repeat the same process by typing /animate again, clicking on the image we want to upload, copying the next prompt from ChatGPT, pasting it here and keep the values the same, FPS 24, GS 15 and motion 5. This way our next scene will be ready. We will continue this process, copying prompts for all scenes and repeating these steps for each scene in our movie. We will keep copying prompts from ChatGPT, pasting them in Pika Labs, maintaining the same value. We will continue preparing our scenes for the movie. If there is a scene or a video part we don't like or want to extend, we click to regenerate it accordingly. If we repeat the same process, copying the prompt already generated by ChatGPT, pasting them in the Pika Lab, we can continue preparing our clips for the video. However, if there are any issue or if Pika Labs is unable to generate certain animations, we have another AI tool called RunwayML. By visiting their website, we will find an interface that can assist us further. Here, clicking on the image plus description will allow you to upload the image you want to animate. After uploading, you can paste the prompt you copied in the description. From here, you can also choose different effects. For example, using the zoom effect, clicking the generate button will make your animation ready. You can see our animation is now ready for RunwayML. For the next image, we will upload it, paste the prompt and generate the animation by clicking the button. And if we wish, we can choose not to apply any effect or remove them and it's ready again. This way we can also create our animation RunwayML. However, I mostly generated animation using Pika Labs because I find it more convenient there. You can use whichever AI tool you find better or more convenient to create your animation. Next, we will prepare the voiceover. For this, we will go to 11 Labs, sign up with Google. After signing up, we will have an interface like this. In 11 Labs, we will paste the character stylo, which we have copied from ChatGPT. Here, I am selecting a voice, but none of them seem suitable for my character. I want a voice with bit of fear, touch of mystery.
By the people, for the people.
If one is lucky.
So I choose this voice and I will also choose the 11 multilingual V1 for better results. clicking the generate button will allow me to download my voiceover. For the next character, I will follow the same process in 11 Labs. After pasting the dialogues in 11 Labs and selecting the voice, I will click the generate button and download the voiceover. We will repeat the same process for all our characters. Creating the voice for the leader of darkness character who needs to have a villainous laugh might seem a bit challenging. Here what we will do before pasting the dialogue, I will type HA for the laugh, which is common symbol for laughter. I will then paste the dialogue in the center, type again HA and proceed to select the voice. The key here is to make the stability completely zero, enabling us to create laughing voiceover. After clicking the generate button, the voiceover for our leader of darkness character will be ready. Completing the voiceovers for all our characters. To download our music, we will copy song from ChatGPT and paste in YouTube library. Go to the YouTube library, paste the track and download it. If we can't find particular track in the YouTube library, there is no problem. We can search for alternatives in ChatGPT. We will continue this process, copying and pasting all our music into YouTube library and downloading them. Once our music tracks are downloaded, we will have them ready for our movie. To edit this video, we will use CapCut. We will select all our scenes generated from Pika Lab and RunwayML. Starting with the first scene, we will add the music that we downloaded from YouTube library. I will add the music for my first scene here. Once the duration of the first scene is covered, I will delete the remaining part of the music. Now we can add video effects to enhance the entertainment value of the movie. For the next scene, we can incorporate different effects. For example, in this video scene, I have added these effects. In the next scene, we can add more effects and transition to make the movie even more entertaining. Now our next step is to add the voiceover for our first character. We will cut the dialogue accordingly, adding each part in the next scene. Similarly, we will continue adding effects, transitions, music and scenes based on the flow of the video. We will tailor it to the character's dialogue. This way we can see how our horror movie has shaped up and assess its overall impact.
It's just an old hospital. Nothing more. What could have happened here?
You've awakened our presence.
This can't be real.
Your fear sustains us. Ha 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 ha! You've stumbled into our realm. There's no escape. Ha 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 ha!
It's over. But the nightmares won't fade.
Amazing. If you want to ensure you don't miss any series or movie generated by me or any AI tool, make sure to subscribe to my Skillbot AI channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you want more videos and tutorials.